Massive boost to opposition to the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. Two key NDA allies in the region rushed to Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh on the issue, reiterating their opposition to the bill. Two important NDA and NEDA constituents in the region, the National People's Party and the Mizo National Front, have yet again expressed their strong opposition to the Citizenship Bill. To press on the matter, NPP National President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with Mizoram Chief Minister and MNF President Zoramthanga, met Home Minister Rajnath Singh in Delhi today. The two chief ministers conveyed their reservations over the passage of the bill to the senior BJP leader. Speaking to media persons after the meet, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said he, along with coalition partners from the state, have conveyed their opposition to the bill to the Union Home Minister. Conrad added that the NPP and other coalition partners from Meghalaya want the bill to be scrapped.
And I think we have expressed our concerns about the citizenship bill and the amendment to citizenship bill. And all the coalition partners from Meghalaya, from the Meghalaya government, and even the Honorable Minister from Mizoram have expressed their dissatisfaction overall and their concerns about this bill, and they've asked the government to reconsider and think about this. And so therefore, we hope that the government will reconsider and think about this. Absolutely. No, modification is not something that is there on the cards right now, but not to go ahead with this at this moment.
Significantly, Sangma also revealed that the Union Home Minister will soon call a meeting of all chief ministers of northeastern states to discuss the matter.
He said that he'll definitely look into it, and I think Mr. Rajnath Singh plans to call all the chief ministers of the northeast for a meeting. So I think it will be in detailed consultation. We will discuss this. But we have expressed our concerns, expressed the concerns of different political parties, different civil societies, and the public of Northeast in general, that this is a bill that is something that most of the people in Northeast will not accept.
Meanwhile, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga too expressed strong reservations over the bill during the meet. It may be mentioned that the NPP-led cabinet in Meghalaya was the first to pass a resolution against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. Mizo National Front Chief Zoramthanga too has made it clear in no uncertain terms that his party and government will not accept the bill at any cost. It is to be seen now whether other chief ministers from the region follow suit in the wake of the massive opposition to the bill. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.